As a woman, I know that hair is our crown and glory. It affects how we feel and how we look at ourselves. Women nowadays, due to stress, illness, or even heredity, are losing their hair. To help this problem, women are going to wigs, weaves, and hair extensions to mask the hair loss. But this is also the problem. It is now time to take care of your hair before the problem becomes permanent. Weaves and wigs are known to contribute to hair loss due to the fact of your scalp not getting the proper nourishment and air. If you have been looking for a great product to help restore your hair so that you can embrace your own hair, well, this product is it. This product is for women, men, and all ethnicities. It's also for color-treated hair, relaxed hair, and chemical-free hair, better known as natural hair. Attached to this video is information on the product as well as a link to purchasing it. It's fast shipping so that you can start your hair recovery journey as soon as possible. Make sure that you follow the directions on the bottle. Many clients have said that they had seen results within 1 month. This may vary from client to client. Once you have purchased the product and you have seen great results, please email us at aholisticme@gmail.com. That's aholisticme@gmail.com. Thank you for listening, and I hope that your journey is a great one.